VPN tunnel is a secure, encrypted connection established between your device and a remote server operated by a VPN service provider. This tunneling process involves several key steps. Initiation. When you activate your VPN client, it sends a connection request to the VPN server. Authentication. The VPN server verifies your credentials to ensure you are an authorized user. Encryption. Once authenticated, a secure channel is created using encryption protocols like SSL TLS, IPsec, or OpenVPN. This encryption ensures that any data transmitted between your device and the VPN server is scrambled and unreadable to potential eavesdroppers. Data routing. Your device routes all internet traffic through this encrypted tunnel to the VPN server. This includes web browsing, app usage, and any other online activities. VPN server. At the server end, your data is decrypted and your requests are sent out to the internet. The server acts as an intermediary, making it seem like your requests are originating from its location. Privacy and security. Because your data is encrypted and routed through a different server, your real IP address and location are hidden. This provides anonymity and security, protecting your data from hackers, ISPs, and other third parties. Access to remote resources. VPN tunnels are also used by businesses to allow remote employees to securely access company networks and resources. Termination. When your data returns from the internet, it's encrypted again and sent back through the tunnel to your device, where it's decrypted and presented to you.